Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are toasting coconut. I'm going to show you 4 easy methods to toast coconut. Toasted coconut adds a rich, nutty flavor and crispy texture to your recipes, and it's so easy to make. The ingredients in this recipe are coconut. You could have shredded, chips, or flakes. You could have sweetened or unsweetened. So I have unsweetened flakes and sweetened shredded coconut. The first method we're going to use is the skillet method. All you need is a skillet, a stovetop, and go ahead and heat your skillet to medium heat. Go ahead and add your coconut. I'm going to use the flaked coconut. So we're going to heat the coconut about 3 to 5 minutes until it's nicely browned. And when we're using the skillet method, we want to stir it frequently. You can see once it starts browning, it's going to brown really fast, so keep a good eye on it. So this is pretty browned and toasty. I'm going to take it off the heat. You could have taken it off earlier too. Once it's done, go ahead and take it out of the pan right away so it stops cooking, and it will continue to cool. So if you're going to cook sweetened coconut cooks faster. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to toast sweetened coconut on the stovetop. Okay, for our sweetened coconut and shredded coconut, I'm going to turn it back to medium heat, and the pan is still hot. Go ahead and add your coconut. We're going to continue to stir it really frequently. So our shredded coconut is done. Toast it to your desired brownness. This looks good to me. I think toasted coconut is really pretty. Let's go ahead and put this on a plate. We'll spread it out and it can continue to cool. Next, we're going to use the oven method. I've already preheated the oven to 325 degrees. We'll set these aside. I'm going to cook both the sweetened, shredded, and the unsweetened chips. You want to spread it in a thin layer. Let's go put it in the oven next. So we're going to put our coconut in the oven, 325 degree oven for 5 to 10 minutes, and we're going to stir it frequently. I'm going to start checking it at 5 minutes just to make sure it doesn't burn. So it's been about 7 or 8 minutes since I put the coconut in the oven, and I just checked them, and our coconut chips are quite toasty and brown, so I'm taking those out. And the shredded coconut, you could take it out now, but I'm going to cook it another minute. Okay, let's check our shredded coconut. It's been a couple more minutes, and that looks nice and toasty. Okay, our shredded sweetened coconut is finished. It's nice and golden, looks very beautiful. If we would have been cooking unsweetened and sweetened coconut at the same time, the same kind of shredded with the same kind of moisture, the sweetened probably would be done sooner, so keep an eye on it. Our chips got done faster because they're thinner, less moisture. Anyways, our next, let me put this on a plate. Our next method is the broiler method, and I think this is my favorite because it's so fast, but you do have to keep an eye on it. We're going to spread it on you need a thin layer. I already preheated the toaster oven. You need to put it about 2 to 4 inches from the burner in the oven. And since the toaster oven is smaller, it'll probably be done faster. So I'm going to start checking it after 1 minute, probably be done around 1.5 to 2 minutes, but it burns really fast. So let's put it in. We'll be back in 1.5 minutes. Okay, it's only been about 1 minute. I'm going to check it. It is already toasty, so I'm going to turn it off. That's how fast it can cook in the toaster oven. So it's really fast, but can burn fast. I'm going to set this aside, and then our next, well, let me put this on a plate. Okay, so the next and last method is the microwave. And if you get in a bind, you can use the microwave, put it on a thin layer, and we're going to put it in the microwave, heat it for 30 to 60 seconds. We're going to stir it after each time. Then we're going to do another 30 to 60 second increments, and we're going to keep microwaving it until it comes out as brown as you would like it. So we'll go do that next. Okay. To start with, I'm going to start on 60 seconds. Okay, let's check it and stir it. Not done yet. And you do need to make sure you're using a microwave safe plate. As it gets closer to done, we'll do it less seconds. I'm going to do it 60 more seconds, and then after that I'm going to do it in 30-second increments. Okay, the plate's getting hot. It's getting pretty toasty. We could take it out now or toast it a little longer. I think I'll go ahead and take it out now. Okay, so here's our microwave toasted coconut. You could see our different methods. We had the skillet, the oven, the toaster oven on the broil method, and the microwave. So you could do it all different methods. My favorite methods are in the oven or the toaster oven. You can see the difference in the color on the stovetop. I feel like it cooks a little less evenly. Some are more cooked than others. You got the white and the dark, but that could look really good on a recipe too. So then you get in the bind, you can use your microwave. This is really easy. It'll add a great addition. You got the nutty, toasty flavor. It's gonna make your recipes so yummy. Try it on my coconut rice if you haven't tried that yet, and I'll see you in the next lesson. You gotta try a little. So crunchy and good. I love it.